heart of India is warm. But when I look at India, which is doing very well, I cannot but not look at the other side of India, which is not doing too well. It should be an inclusive growth rather than an exclusive growth. And that's asking a lot, but I don't think it's asking a lot if we are determined and are very clear about our objectives and how we want to grow.
How many people from your family were massacred?
16. I am not lying. I will not change my testimony. Why should I lie?
Is it true that you live with your family in Qatar?
I should meet everyone.
I'm the director of SPARC and also a member of the Shack Dwellers International. Is to take our politicians, our bureaucrats, our NGOs and our communities together to see something new. Because each one has a role to play in the solution. And very often we are fighting with each other when we should actually be working together.
तुम समझ गए, विश्व इतना बड़ा, उस विश्व में एक छोटा सा देश क्या है? हिंदुस्तान.
So it was very important that we considered a place where the women could get a forum, have a place where they could talk about themselves and discover that many of them had similar problems. And then look into solutions, the solution would come amongst themselves. And that's when we started women's groups or women's clubs, as you would call village women's clubs, called Mahila Mandals. And from there our program just changed directions. Those forums began to talk about things and the solutions had to come from us. So like I'll say, if there was another component of the program, it came because some woman would say, oh, Didi, I wish I had known this when I was a little girl. Someone should have told me this as a young girl, as an adolescent girl. Why do you have to know now and you tell me all this now when, well, I've passed half my life? So I would say, okay, wouldn't you like to have your daughters, your adolescent girls group being formed? Let's form them and let's tell them things that you would have liked to know as a young girl. So to the Mahila Mandal program, to the women's program, we added on the adolescent girls program.
हमारा जो समाज है, महिलाओं को वहाँ नहीं जाना, किसी के साथ बात नहीं करना, या घर की बात है, कोई जुल्म होता, कोई ऐसी समस्या होती है तो घर में ही बताना, घर से बाहर किसी को नहीं बताना, तो शर्म की बात होती है. तो ये भी ऐसा भी था, लेकिन जैसे जैसे हमने सीखा थोड़ा तो हमें बाहर निकलने का मौका मिला.
Our program about self-help group and microcredit to the poor has actually changed the scenario around the woman. She would toil from morning till night. She worked about 16 hours a day to 18 hours a day, whereas a man works about 8 to 10 hours a day. Yet, she never had any cash in hand.
यहाँ वहाँ खुद होता है 1 रात 12 बजे बाद आए थे तो जुर्माना लिया कहाँ है जुर्माना। आज हमारा दिल इतना खुश होता है कि जो लोग घर से बाहर नहीं निकलते थे, किसी के साथ बात नहीं करते थे, किसी ऑफिस की जानकारी नहीं थी, आज उनको वो सारी जानकारी मिली। अपने बच्चों को भी पढ़ा भी रही हैं अपना। उन्होंने एक तो सामाजिक तौर पे भी अपना विकास किया, समाज में उनको अच्छा दर्जा मिला, अपने बच्चों को अच्छी शिक्षा दिलवाई। और जो पति उनके जो खाली रहते थे, इधर उधर बेकार में थे, किसी ने घोड़े लेकर काम शुरू कर दिया, किसी ने STD खोल कर काम शुरू किया, किसी ने कुछ 3 व्हीलर डाल लिया, किसी ने दुकान डाल ली। तो ये महिलाओं के सहयोग से ये काम बदलाव है।
We see in India women who sacrifice at home think themselves very low. They don't think they're doing something big. Nor do the people at home consider them as having done something big. I'll just give you an example. A mother eats last in most families. She serves everyone, she sees everyone's eaten, whatever is left she will eat. Now that's a big sacrifice. So the woman who's done it, she should know that I've done something nice, be proud of it. And the people at home must know, oh, our mother is great. Actually deep down know it and respect her. The husband must respect her. So sacrifice has to be taken. It's not that you drop sacrifice. I'm not one of those women activists who thinks that you, okay, become aggressive. I think whatever is good, whether it's man or woman, it remains a value. Sacrifice is a good value for a man or a woman. And if a woman has it, why not respect it? Why not give reverence and love for it? So those are certain values and attitudes that have to be changed for the person who's sacrificing. Because if I ask a woman, what do you do? Oh, they look down and they say, oh, I don't do anything. You know, most women, when you go to a women's club, they will tell me that in the Mahila Mandal. And I tell them, come on, then tell me what do you do from morning till night? And they list out a whole lot of things from 5 o'clock in the morning till 11 o'clock at night. And then I ask them, aren't you being unfair to yourselves? If you do so much, none of us do so much. I may be a doctor, but I don't do a work as hard as you are working. So do you realize the value of what you do? If you took a holiday, the Indian economy would collapse. And you don't take a holiday, we take a lot of holidays. I mean, we professionals or whoever, whom they think we are great. So what I try to share with them is that if you're not greater than us, but you are as great, we are because of you. What women lacked in India so far was opportunities. And when you say women lacked something, you are talking about 50% of the population lacking something. Now they're getting opportunities, they're coming up. अच्छा, और कौन है? चुप के रहेगी। और आप? हाँ? DC बनेगी? वाह रे वाह, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिश्नर, वेरी गुड। और आप? टीचर, डॉक्टर।